What's up, guys? As you can see behind me, here's a Chevy Malibu that we are trying to fix. As a matter of fact, look at this right here. This is what's wrong with it. And I've had such a hard time trying to find the front bumper on this body style Malibu. I guess everybody crashes them in the front, you know, because I can't find them. But I'll put a little video of when I found it so you can see. But this Malibu right here is the one that we picked up at auction with just a little front end damage. Try to take care of that. It's lifted up right now in jack stands because we're doing a wheel bearing replacement on both rear wheels due to a traction light issue. So we pinpointed the problem to be faulty wheel bearings, and that's what we're gonna do, take care of this. But that's not important though. What's important was the front body damage. I wanted to show it to you what it looked like before, and then I want to do a quick YouTube magic and show you what it's gonna look like after we're done. Check it out. So we came here today. We took the Silverado for a quick spin to AutoFit to purchase the front bumper on our 2013 Chevy Malibu. Now I looked everywhere and I couldn't find this shit at all. Finally they called me today to say they have it, and we're gonna get this sucker put on the car or paint it and then put on the car. So I'm gonna show you guys what it's gonna look like after we replace the bumper. I mean, it's just a little corner that's messed up, so it's no big deal, you know, but AutoFit's coming through. The bumper and the fog lamp cover was about $250. Can't complain. So here we go. Well, guys, there you have it. Here I come with the YouTube magic, coming to show you the finished product. You remember? A couple $100 later, we got the bumper painted and put on the car. Well, there you go, guys. That's how our Malibu looks like now. Hope you had some fun watching this video. I had some fun making this video, and I'm glad I got this car fixed. Ready, front line ready. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.